residents, what's going on today? MJ here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Southwest Las Vegas, right off of Blue Diamond Road, and we're looking over the Litchfield Community built by Richmond American Homes, more specifically the Anika floor plan. This is an all single story community which is also gated. This particular floor plan is 1,720 square feet, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-bay garage, covered front porch, covered back patio. You're seeing the floor plan as well as the specs on the screen right now. Feel free to pause the video and take a look at that a little bit closer. I'll be going over this video with the measurements inside. On the outside, you're going to get the front landscaping included, as well as the pavers you're seeing on the driveway and the walkway. That's all included there for you. This is the elevation B of 3. That said, let's go ahead and head right on inside. This model is being used as the office for the agents, so just keep that in mind. I'm sure you saw the door on the where the garage would be there. As soon as you walk in this home, there's a wonderful entryway. I like this nice long hallway here. It doesn't have a lot of decoration in terms of structural decoration. However, they did put in this really nice flooring as well as the upgraded baseboards. Really nice touch. They kept a pretty warm feel throughout this entire home, as you can tell by the colors. You have the nice reds and the tans, very neutral, but has that warmth to it, very inviting. Right off to the left here, as soon as you come in the front door, they have 2 bedrooms as well as a bathroom here. Both these bedrooms are nearly identical. This particular one we're coming into right now is 10 foot 10 by 10 foot 8. And just to the right there, you'll see the closet, which is a standard size closet. Nice size window, bringing in lots of light into this room, especially at this time of day. The house did face to the west, if that does mean anything. Nice mirrors on the wall here. Definitely makes the room feel a lot bigger than it actually is. And coming straight across the hall here, we're going to come into the front bedroom, which is the bigger of the 2. This one is 10 foot 10 by 11 foot 3, so you get 5 more inches there. Does make the room feel a little bit bigger. And again, to the left there, you have the closet. Nice fire truck feel there, with the fire trucks on the wall there, the Dalmatian, the fire hydrant. You kind of see the theme that are starting to go through this home. And then I'm sure, as you notice, there is carpet in both these bedrooms, but there is the laminate out in the hallway. Throughout this home, you're actually going to get wall-to-wall carpeting, and then 17 by 17 inch ceramic tiles in the entry, the laundry room, the kitchen, and the bathrooms, basically the wet areas of the home. There's the first bathroom here. I love the cabinetry that they chose throughout this home. It did have a slight off-white color, almost a cream color. And then they have this quartz countertop here. That's the countertop will be included. I'm not quite sure if that particular stone right there is going to be an upgrade or not. The shower that they have decorated out here with the tiles and the backsplash there, that's going to be really a very nice upgrade to do with the design studio for yourself as well. They have a really nice decorative wallpaper put into that bathroom as well. I think they did a really beautiful job in there. And to the right here, it's going to be your entrance to the garage right there. And then the laundry room here. They upgraded with the sink and the upper cabinetry in here. I would highly recommend both of those upgrades. Very super convenient to have in the laundry room, as you do need that extra storage in there. Throughout this home, you do have 9-foot ceilings, which is really convenient. On the back and the front entry, you're going to have 8-foot entry doors. And here's the grand room. Really a beautiful design decor that they put into this room. You could tell Richmond really put a lot of effort in here, and it really does look very nice. Richmond is actually one of my favorite builders personally. I actually live in a Richmond American home myself. I can attest that they do build a very nice home. They do a good job building it. I haven't had too many issues with my house. Obviously, there's been some settling stuff, but overall, I feel they did a really good job. And yes, I would buy another Richmond home. I can attest to their quality. Again, there's that beautiful cabinetry. You do get 42-inch uppers. It's built by Timberlake. For the cabinetry, you're going to get the granite countertops will be included with a 4-inch backsplash. There's also recessed lighting in the ceiling, which is all LED. In this kitchen, it's going to be per plan, but you'll have an included gourmet kitchen, which will include the double wall oven there. Really, really nice to have. I do have that in my home. I highly recommend it. Then they have the stove top with the microwave above for the vent outside. Really nice size island here. I love the decor that they put in this kitchen overall. Those nice splashes of red and green go really good with the simple, warm, inviting neutral colors. Nice size pantry here. For this particular size home, I do think this is a bit large on the pantry, and you'll have more than enough room to store all those groceries that you'll bring home from the grocery store, probably plus some as well. Nice backsplash that they have installed there. That is going to be an upgrade at the design studio as well. I'm sure you're noticing the upgraded hardware throughout this home as well, with the dark color on it. That is going to be an option selected at the design studio and will be an upgrade. Really a beautiful setting on this table, isn't it? So simple, but very, very nice. In terms of the dimensions of this great room, the kitchen is 13'1" by 17'1". The nook is 13'0" by 12'9", and the living area is 15'7" by 14'1". You're seeing these sliders there. That is an upgrade as well. It's going to be, that's probably a pretty expensive upgrade too. That's probably about $5,000 in itself. And then coming into the master suite here, this bedroom is 14'6" by 13'9". You do have an option to have the barn door on the bathroom just to the left here. You'll see it here in just a second when I cross to the other side of the room. You have that nice recessed area to put your TV if you choose to on the wall, and more than enough room for a bed here. There's that barn door that I was talking about that has a slider. That's an option upgrade as well. Then the window right there is an option to upgrade as well. You're noticing probably a lot of really nice natural light coming in this home. I think they did a really good job designing where the windows are and bringing all that natural light in just to save you some money. It does work out really, really well. Here's the master bathroom again with that beautiful upgraded hardware and the Timberlake cabinetry. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the rectangular undermount sinks. I'm sure you hear me say that in almost every single one of my videos. I really do truly like it a lot, as you can tell. There's showing off that hardware again with this really beautiful soaking tub. The tub in itself is an upgrade as well as a separate shower. You're going to just get a walk-in shower in here and a linen closet where the tub was. So you're seeing an upgrade in this bathroom as well. There's a water closet there, and then here is the master closet. Really truly a nice size here. I would personally upgrade this after I moved in and put in some extra shelving. My walk-in closet's not quite that big, but it's pretty close to that, and I've definitely filled it up. And here we are. We're going to head out to the back porch. They did upgrade to have the full covered back porch here. Really a wonderful space just to spend some time, set up a barbecue. Have this fans on the ceiling there just to create a little bit extra breeze. Works really well. And this community is actually coming to a close. There's only 25 lots left for purchase. The HOA in here is going to be $65 a month because it is a gated community. There isn't any small park or anything, but the grounds around the community will be taken care of for you as well, of course. There is some incentives they're offering. If you use Home American Mortgage, they will give you, that's their in-house lender, they'll give you 3% towards your closing costs. And then if you also get a pre-plot or a spec home, if you will, they'll also include the refrigerator, the washer, the dryer, and the window coverings. That's going to save you a lot of money when it comes to the design studio. But anyway, that's going to about wrap it up for this tour. All right, residents. So what do you think of the Anika model tour? Did you enjoy the floor plan? What about the decor that they did inside? Do you think they did a good job? How about this real estate market? It's pretty hot. What about the moratorium ending at the end of the month? How do you think that's going to affect the market? Do you think it'll be positive or negative? Let me know in the comments below. I want to get a discussion started with every single one of you down there. But on next week's video, I'm excited to share some tips with you on how to pay off your mortgage more quickly. That way you can get into your next investment property faster and start building more wealth for you and your family moving forward into the future. And then following up after that, in 2 weeks, I'm going to be wrapping up this community with the Sarah model tour, as they only have 2 models available for viewing in this community. Makes sense as they only have 25 more lots left here. And then after that, I have more content planned for you guys. Of course, there's a Toll Brothers community that just opened up in Sky Canyon. I'm super excited to share it with you, as they have 6 models. They have 3 single story, 3 2-story. They're finishing up the 2-story models right now. I'm going to be going out there this next Monday to film them up for you guys and start the editing process. So look for that to come. And if you do like that type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss that video when I upload. Or if you like my tips, make sure you subscribe as well. Please do like this video. It does help the YouTube algorithm a lot to help people find my videos and help them out in the future. Thank you so much for all your support. And as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video, sticking all the way to the end. We'll see you guys next week for the tips on how to pay off your mortgage. Later.
Get me out of here.